We are so lucky to be down in this working mine with Shannon, and he's going to show us exactly how the black opal that we set in our jewelry is mined, the methods. This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and very excited about the prospects. So Shannon, go ahead and walk us through what we're going to do.
Righto, John, we're about to rev it up, and once we rev it up, you're not going to hear a great deal. We'll put the earmuffs on. But we have a 2-speed here that revs that truck up, the blower up, the top up, and then we'll start the process of digging. Put a U-face here. Up the other end there, where that steel bend is, can you grab that?
You planted the feet, now you're planting the...
So now we're pipe planting. We've got roof rams down there, hydraulic roof rams that hold it in the floor. With these super diggers, we've got 2 hydraulic rams that hold it in the thing, and as we dig, it's got a system on it here that puts more pressure to the roof.
So this is how you dig for the black opal.
This is how we dig for the black opal.
Positioning the blower so as the machine is taking out the opal from the wall, it can suck it up to the surface so they can go to be processed.
So we can find some black opal.
Let's find some opal.
2-speed revving the blower truck up the top. moment is we're digging out the toe. This is known as the toe. This is our carry band through here. And this is where we hope to find the opal, and this under here is all waste. And there's a lot of toe, a lot of dirt mixed up with opal. We can dig 4 or 5 truckloads a day, about 30 or 40 tonne each truckload, and you can dig them, go days, weeks and even months without finding our carry band right through here. You can see little bits of potch feeders here and there. Bit of grey there. We're hopefully as we dig in here that's going to turn into colour. There's a little bit of weak purple here, and you can't see 1 millimetre through dirt, so you just don't know what's ahead of us. Hopefully things are going to be pretty good.
It's time now to head back to the surface. We've enjoyed our time down, observing how Lightning Ridge opened the Lightning Ridge Miner Association puddling tanks. I'm here with Shannon Barrett. He's going to tell us a little bit about the process of after the opal comes out of the ground, how they process it. Shannon?
Righto. John, will back at the claim, as I said, we fill the truck here, and as the truck's full we bring it over to the claim, the puddling tanks here. We have a conveyor here and an old converted agitator. This process came in about 79 by a bloke by the name of Gary Stone, came up with the idea, and they've just got a 3/8 screen on them. And we pump water into that as well as the dirt, and then over time the clay wears away and we're left with the, hopefully with the opal.
And the area we're at is also where all the miners work together.
Yeah, this is owned by the LRMA, the Lightning Ridge Miners Association, and
if you pan that way,
it's broken down into 50 or 60 sites, which at least whoever had to members.
And the miners work together through the Miners Association to build the bridge, to build the roads. There's no government funding. This is all jointly done by the miners together. So y'all work together to produce the product here in Lightning Ridge.
Yeah,
to produce the black opal that we love so much at home.
Yeah, well, the Lightning Ridge Miners Association not only does that, we're here to make sure that we keep mining. We're ongoing with governments and farmers, and it's a non-stop process.
Okay, thank you very much.